Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen in front of us. As you can see that I have got three lines drawn here on the chart. So do not get confused. Let me explain each and every line one by one. And if you have watched the previous videos on USD JPY, then you recognize these two lines. Still, you watch the video. Okay. First and foremost, let me talk about this line, the line above. 111.66. This level is important because when market was in uptrend, market was in uptrend, market was extremely bullish here. You can see that market was bullish, and at this price level, at this particular price level, market faced resistance, and from this level only there was a trend reversal in the market. So therefore this level is extremely important for the market. 111.66. so this is the ultimate resistance for the market, or resistance 2. Clear? Then we have this level, 110.58. then we have got this level on the chart. You can see that after coming down to this particular level, when market tried to recover, or when market tried to bounce, it faced selling pressure at this level, came down again after some time, or after a couple of days, when market went up again for a recovery, market faced the same selling pressure again at this price level, which means that sellers are there in the market. There is no doubt that some strong or big players are sitting at this level. But we have also got sellers present in this level also. Sellers means they are not allowing the market to cross this particular level. So this is our next resistance, also the resistance 1. So we have got two resistance, or two important resistances on the chart of US dollar Japanese yen. And next level is this, which is the support for the market, 109.75. If you have watched my previous video, then you recognize this level pretty well, because I have been talking about this level for like say 3 to 4 months. Because in the chart of USD JPY, this is the most important level, or the most crucial level, I'll say. Because see, right now you can see that this level is acting as a support for the market, and before 4 or 5 weeks, around 2 months ago, this level was acting as a resistance for the market. If I take you to the weekly chart here, then you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 candles. This is a weekly chart. 8 candles means 2 months. For 2 months, this level was acting as a support for the market. Whenever price was trying to cross the level, whenever market was trying to breach this level, it was feeling heavy selling pressure from above. When market crossed this level, and here you can see that when market crossed this level, the same resistance became the support for the market. And right now the same level is trying to provide support to the market. Therefore 109.75, my dear friend, do not forget about this level. 109.75 is extremely crucial for the market. So you have understood these three levels. So if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, if we go to Forex sentiment meter, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website, avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter. You can see that 68% retail traders have taken short position, and 31% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 68% traders like you, traders like me, they have taken buy position. They are thinking the market will be going up. and 31% retail traders like you and me are thinking that market will be going up, and 68% thinking that market will be going down. Okay. So this is the forex sentiment meter, and if we go the currency strength meter, you can see that the strength of US dollar, this is the strength of USD, and this is the strength of JPY. You can see that almost they are of the equal strength here. And I have clearly explained in my earlier videos also that whenever you will see two currencies of the equal strength or almost of the equal strength, then you will always get a sideways market. There will not be a very much trending market, because two currencies are of the equal strength. How can you get a trending market? If one currency is very strong and if one currency is weak, then you will get a trending market. But in a scenario like this, when two currencies are almost of the equal strength, then there is a possibility that market will remain sideways only. Okay, and 260 here again for back, we are back to forex sentiment meter, and those 68% retail traders are thinking that market will go down again. But let me tell you clearly one thing, that do not follow the retail traders, because we know that most of the retail traders lose money. Therefore, what you should be doing here, you should wait for the market. See, right now market is trading here. If you go for a buy here, your stop loss will be here, is not it? The stop loss will be here. If your stop loss will be here, then this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. This risk to reward ratio does not seem very favorable here. And if you short the market also here, if you short the market here, then again your stop loss will be here. This will be your take profit target. Again, you're compromising with the risk to reward ratio. And as I always say, never ever compromise with the trading discipline. And most importantly, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So do not trade in the middle. As long as market is trading in the middle, this will be your no trading zone, and TZ, and this is your no trading zone. You do not need to trade in the middle. Let the retail traders take buy position, sell position, does not matter. What you will do is that you will wait for the perfect opportunity. So if market comes down to the support level 109.75 level, just observe the price. If you see price bouncing from here, easily go for buy order, because this is a support from the weekly chart. Go for buy at 109.75. And if market goes up from here, then just observe the price at 110.58 level. If you see price struggling near this level, or if you see the price is unable to cross the level, or if you see price rejection from above in the form of a shooting star, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is still acting as a resistance for the market, and you can short the market. So these two are the only two trading opportunities for you right now in the chart of US dollar, Japanese yen. These are the two safe trading opportunities in the chart right now. Anyways, this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.